Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cracking GIB and CIB with Raj. Now last one day, that is Friday. Let's start with Crack 25 for Principle and Practices of Banking. Hope you will enjoy this. Question number first. Red herring prospectus is a prospectus. Red herring prospectus is a prospectus which does not have details of either price or number of shares bank had or the amount of issue. It means it does not contain any of these information. Next, question number 2. Under ASBA facility, investor can apply in any public right issue by using ASBA is application supported by block amount. So under ASBA facility, investor can apply in any public right issue by using their bank account. Third question, the maximum tenure of an ICD is 1 year. ICD, an inter-corporate deposit, is an unsecured borrowing by corporates and financial institutions from other corporate entities are registered under the Companies Act 1956 and its interest rate is high as there is no requirement of collateral. ICD full form is inter-corporate deposit. Basically, this is the borrowing between corporates and financial institutions which are registered under Companies Act 1956. Its interest rate is high because there is no requirement of collateral in ICD. Next, my very direct question. Can expect half marks question like this which are straightforward. MIBOR stands for Mumbai Interbank Offered Rate and is closely modeled on the LIBOR. LIBOR is London Interbank Offer Rate. Question number 5. CBLO is a money market instrument operated by CBLO is collateralized borrower lending obligations and it is operated by CCIL. CCIL is Clearing Corporation of India Limited. Question number 6. The minimum rating required for a corporate to issue a commercial paper is, means what should be rating of corporate that will issue any commercial paper. The rating is P2. P2 of CRISIL or such equivalent rating by other agencies. It is issued between 7 days to maximum 1 year and in multiple of 5 lakhs. Question number 7. The Indian bank system RBI acts as the dash bank and also as a lender of the, I think everybody knows this. In the Indian banking system, RBI is the central bank and acts as the bankers bank and also as the lender of last resort. Next question, question number 8. Letter of credit where the beneficiary can ask the nominated bank to make the credit available to others is called. Others is called a VCLC, transferable letter of credit. Question number 9. Money lent by a banker for 1 day is known as. Money lent by a banker for 1 day is known as call money. Next question for LC. Generally in JIB they ask the direct questions. They will give 2-3 lines of questions and you have to answer that. If it is of half marks they will ask directly, likewise which we have already studied. Now question number 10. LC which guards against the risk of failure of issuing bank is which type of LC? That is confirmed LC. Now general knowledge question. It may carry half marks. The first insurance company was started in India in 1818 at Kolkata. Question number 12. I hope that you are having your pen and paper with you and writing, because very less time and you have to revise more and more. Now question number 12, revolving letter of credit means amount of credit is subject to. Revolving LC means amount of credit is subject to renewal of LC without amendment. It means renewal will be done without any amendment. Question number 13, back to back letter of credit refers to a special clause that letter of credit is issued with. This is another type of LC, back to back, and it is issued with on security of another letter of credit. Question number 14, red clause letter of credit refers to a special clause authorizing for advance to beneficiary before shipment. Means if you are getting advance before shipment, it will be red one, and for up to storage it is green one. Question number 15, an irrevocable confirmed documentary credit cannot be amended or cancelled without the agreement of which three parties, that is beneficiary, confirming bank and issuing bank. Question number 16, this type of question will come for half marks. Andragogy is learning process for adult is called andragogy, and if it is for child it is called pedagogy. Question number 17, combining of two or more companies into a single company where one survives with its name and other lose their corporate existence is called. This is called, we all are facing in banking sector nowadays, very popular term, merger. Question number 18, CIBIL stands for, full form of CIBIL is Credit Information Bureau India Limited. Question number 19, minimum rating under CIBIL is -1. It means the borrower has not taken any loan till to date. Question number 20, CIBIL was incorporated in August 2000 based on dash committee recommendation. Which committee has recommended this CIBIL? Siddiqui committee. Question number 21, the Banking Codes and Standard Board of India was registered on 18th February 2006 under which law? That is Societies Registration Act 1860. This is one question for legal also. Now next, question number 22nd, RuPay card payment network is developed by which organization? Which organization is India has developed this? The organization is NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India. Question number 23, in deposit accounts the main relationship between banker and customer is. It means one customer is coming for fixed deposit, then the relation between banker and customer will be, bank will be debtor and customer will be creditor, and during loan the bank will be creditor and customer will be debtor. Question number 24, Bailor-Bailey relationship is applicable in. Bailor-Bailey relationship is applicable in keeping articles in safe custody with bank. 25th question, this is the last one. Section 131 of NI Act, that is Negotiable Instrument Act, gives protection for collection of checks. Now it's time for हिंदी वर्सन. 2 टिप्स JIB के लिए. फर्स्ट, पहला है समय पर जाएं और आराम से एग्ज़ाम दें. पॉजिटिव रहें, यू आर गोइंग टू डू इट. एंड सेकेंड वन इज़, फर्स्ट पहले जो है जो आता है उसको कंप्लीट करें, उसके बाद जो डाउट वाला है उसको क्लियर करें. इन माई ओपिनियन, मेरे हिसाब से डू नॉट रिवाइज, कृपया रिवाइज ना करें. JIB में रिवाइज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. दिस इज़ द एग्ज़ाम वेयर you just do the one first which are well known to you. जो आप जानते हैं उसको पहले कीजिए, सेकेंड में डाउट वाले को कीजिए, और डाउट वाले को रिवाइज नहीं कीजिए. जो फर्स्ट आपने किया दैट इज़ करेक्ट. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. इफ़ you are liking this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.